Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 1957 in JavaScript. It's to delete characters to make a fancy string. A fancy string is a string where no three consecutive characters are equal. Given a string S, delete the minimum possible number of characters from S to make it fancy. Return the normal string after deletion. It can be shown that the answer will always be unique. Alright, so we have here, this is our input. We have 3 E's in Leetcode. We get rid of one of the E's and just have Leetcode. Here we have these 3 A's, these 4 A's. We just return 2 A's, B, 2 A's. And then here, we have no 3 consecutive characters, so we just return what we got. I'm going to use this example here. Let's move to CodePen. Let's create our function. We'll call it func. So now we need a variable to store a result. We're going to use an array. We could also probably use a string, but this would be easier. We're going to create a variable called current car. So that's going to be a string, and then a variable called count, and set that to 0. At the end, we return result. So now we can do a for loop through S that checks to see if we have more than 3 characters in a row. If it doesn't, what we're going to do is we're going to push in the character. So I'll show you what I mean. So set a normal for loop, let I equals 0, I is less than s.length, I plus plus. So in here we can have an if-else if statement. First if is going to check if current car is not equal s at I, well, then we reset count to 1, comes out with the first character. We reset the current car to be s at I, and we push into result S at I. Cool. Now we see Leetcode, right? So it's just not getting these 2 E's here. So we need an else if statement. And I'm just going to grab this. So we're going to have 2 conditions here. It's going to say current car equals s at I and count is less than 2. We increment count, and again we push into results. Now we got what we want. Then of course they're asking for a string, so at the end you need to join these together. Cool. Alright, let's go ahead and grab all of this, paste it into Leetcode, format our code, and let's submit. There you go. Alright, hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.